Put it there.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to move it back a bit. We'll be able to see more. Is this even recording? Wait a minute. Don't start scrubbing. I'll just put this on top of here. Yeah, you should use the one. Connect the Caesar head.
Ready?
Rolling, action. And cut.